Avery. Welcome back to my channel, Reviews with Avery. And today, we're going to be reviewing this Y2K Glitch Snoop Slime subscription box slime. And of course, this theme for this month is Y2K. So let's check this slime out to see if it is good. It's basically like a metallic clear slime, but it's very, very stretchy. It's like, look how stretchy that is. And I'm also going to do a bubble for you guys. So we're going to stretch it out, and then we're going to, that is a really good bubble. And listen to that pop. This is one of the best slimes I think I've ever had from Snoop Slimes and just all my slimes in general. And this slime is amazing. I love it. I rate this one a billion out of 10. You guys have to purchase this Snoop Slime subscription box if you haven't already. I love this slime. Definitely recommend purchasing it. Bye, guys.